The tides obey no hand. I drift with means, no roots upon the land. My net is cast where silver waters gleam. The world is fleeting, life is but a dream. The morning mist, it cloaks the rolling tide. No chains to bind me, nowhere to abide. The moonlight shimmers on my humble skiff, a flask of wine, the stars, the sea, no rift. While kings wage war and courts deceive with lies, I sip the breeze beneath the endless skies. No emperor's favor, no master's command, only the current, the oar in my hand. You swing your axe, yet trees will rise anew. The forest swallows all the work you do, but waves leave no mark, no burden to bear. Tell me, old friend, which life is more fair? The river flows, yet always finds its way, but mountains stand unmoved by night or day. I carve my path where ancient pines have grown. With steady hands, I've shaped the world alone. The song of axes rings through wooded halls, a sturdy beam, a home before it falls. The fire I stoke keeps humble hearts at peace. What do your waters build but memories? You chase the wind, the drifting restless wave, but even oceans break against the cave. Roots bind the earth, the trees embrace the land. A wandering life is built on shifting sand. I earn my meal, my labor strong and pure. Through sweat and toil, my place in life is sure. You call me bound, but I was never lost. What is your freedom if it pays no cost?